Hey guys, in this episode, I'm gonna show you the ways to record your outdoor activities such as hiking or biking ride in OS Map. OS Map, you can go and record your outdoor activities such as hiking or bike rides in OS Map. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to go and log into your OS Map account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Now right on this page, you should be able to find this option as record, and under it there is this feature as record an activity. Go ahead and click on and get started. Now if you wish to record, go ahead and select. You can go ahead and start recording. So first thing, you need to select whether it's hiking, by running, or road cycling, off-road cycling, and all that, and accordingly click the continue button and go ahead and click on start recording. The recording has started, and as you're done completing your task, you can go ahead and select pause, and then you can click on finish. And here you can go ahead and add a note as well in order to remind yourself. And that's basically how you can record your outdoor activity in OS Map. And it also allows the users to track your progress, discover new routes, and share your adventures with friends and fellow outdoor enthusiasts. So that's how you can record your outdoor activities such as hiking or bike ride in OS Map. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.